The door opens quietly. The chair reads you. Comfort begins. Osaki Apex Duo. AI health detection senses your body and adapts in real time. The 5D+4D rollers move in harmony, adapting to you with gentle warmth that eases every tension. The side doors glide open effortlessly, offering seamless entry and comfort for all. Voice control. Adjust the chair with simple commands. Zero gravity recline releases all weight. Only 1 inch from the wall, no space wasted. 62 air cells flow in rhythm, easing tension from your shoulders, arms, back, hips, with calf-kneading air massage and foot compression. Heating therapy warms your back, calves, and feet, easing tension. 46 auto programs, 5 manual modes, endless ways to rest. Calf rollers deliver deep relief, and foot rollers ease every step. Air scented with calm, light shaped by mood. Wireless charging, Bluetooth sound, all within reach. Osaki Apex Duo, relaxation perfected.